Ooh. Oh! What's up, guys? I'm Metamicha and I run Writing for Earth here. And today we're going to do something different. I've just never done one of these videos. Thought this would be a cool kind of unboxing video. Something that's actually legit and very helpful. So about a week or two ago, I put some stuff on Facebook Marketplace and sold my drone, which was that big kind of phantom drone. And sold my gimbal, which I never used. And got enough money for this thing. So this is the case for it. So yeah, I don't really know how these kind of videos work. I assume you just open it and go through it and have fun because I'm excited for this. This is actually like the third day I missed it, the first 2 days. So if you saw the title, you know what I'm unboxing right now. I mean, obviously it's a drone. Something that I really enjoy doing, something that's not just fun, but like so practical. If you've seen some of my videos, some of the drone footage is beautiful. I'll link some of that below and where you can find the drone footage. But this is a huge step up from that for not much more money. And here I'm on just like 10 awesome things about this drone. But here we go. Unbox video. Number 1. Ooh. The Mavic Pro. Now, the reason I got this one is because it's cheap, man. The Mavic Pro 2, you know, is out, and that thing's like $1,800, maybe like $1,700 just by itself and remote. Man, this thing is like a huge step up compared to my old drone, and it can fold down, and so that's why having a case just this size, which can fit in a backpack inches, is so much better. Actually, let's say something cool. So the flying range. What even is this? It can be piloted at a distance of 4.3 miles and still stream video to your smartphone. 4.3 miles. I was thinking like 2 at the most. That's crazy. And I could be like somewhere like Bryce Canyon or the Grand Canyon and just fly that thing everywhere. You know, you could see the whole area from that. So that's cool. Okay, what is in here next? Battery. The battery is 2 extra batteries. Little, you can't have enough of these. Filmmakers, I'm sure you know. Photographers, I'm sure you know. Literally on my photography bag, you know that front pocket that's like small? Full of these. Okay. 64 gigs. So dope. And there's the box. Empty as can be. Oh, sorry, I just threw that on my dog. Jesse. I'm sorry, big guy. I'm sorry. This is the only thing I want to open anyway. Look at this piece of technology. Holy Jesus. When I was thinking fit in your hand, I mean, that can really fit in your hand. Woo. So ready. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready right now. Look at this, guys. This is an epic piece of equipment right here. I don't even know. I'm speechless right now. This is crazy. Man, a big reason why I wanted to do this video is because I wanted to kind of connect a little more with you guys. And I want you guys to use me. Use me as a resource. I am, you know what I'm doing? I'm traveling around America in an RV alone. So I got time to do things, you know? So, use me, man. You know, be like, wouldn't it be sick to have some drone footage of this area? Or I'm making a video of some kind of similar area like this. Comment that stuff below. And I'm going to say this stuff throughout the whole video. Comment those below. Comment some drone things that you would like to see around America. Maybe that's the Grand Canyon. Maybe that's waterfalls in Oregon. Maybe that's California coast or the deserts or the Rocky Mountains, whatever it may be. Comment on that stuff below. Let's actually say one of them. So this is pretty cool. Active track. So you can say who to track and it'll do everything automatically. 3 different modes. Trace. Follow your subject from behind or in front of it, or circle it while it moves. If you guys watch many like van life videos or anything, like there's a lot of cool footage of like drones flying behind their vans in like by the desert, you know, through the desert or whatever. Now my old drone couldn't do that. This one I'm totally thinking can. So look at this. My old one was like this big bulky thing, but this is sick. Oh my god, and they move out too. Look how legit this looks. So yeah, guys, hope you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I don't honestly know what to do in these videos, so this was probably the most awkward video in the world. This is tight. Oh, let's check this out too. Yeah, thanks for checking it out. You know, I'm excited to get this. Like I said before, throughout the whole video, tell me things that I should drone. You know, tell me areas. Leave those comments below. Yeah. Face shot. Whoa. I love it. I love it. Nice, man. Yeah, well, like I said, thanks for checking this out. I will see you guys next time in the next vlog, in the next podcast, whatever it may be. I will be excited to see you guys next time, and let's get this bad boy on the road. You know, soon. A video soon, I promise, will just be some footage of testing this thing out. So that is going to be awesome. So, yeah, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button because you know you want to follow me around the world. Follow me around America. You know, follow me on this amazing journey of life. So hit that subscribe button. Go bah, bah, bah. Give me a high five. Thanks, guys. That's all I got for you. Safe travels, my friends. Much love. I'll see you next time. Metamita out.